Hello everyone, Miss Aston here, and we're going to have story time. Today our story is called Kippers Rainy Day, and it's by Mick Inkpen. Kipper loves the rain because rain makes puddles, and puddles make a splash. Do you like to splash in puddles? Who else loves the rain? It's a frog. Look, and there's some lily pads in a pond. The ducks love it too. They love being in a pond and in the lovely, lovely rain. Does anyone on the pond love the rain? The frogs love the rain. And look, Kipper's got an umbrella to keep himself dry. He doesn't want to get all soggy, does he? Does anyone on the farm like the rain? Let's see. The piggies love the rain. It makes all their mud squelchy so they can roll in it and get all soggy. Who else is happy in the rain? Oh, let's go under the pots. All the squidgy, squashy things are happy, like snails and slugs. They love coming out in the rain. Does anyone in the tree love the rain? Can you see? It's a cat. A cat. Oh no, the cat doesn't like the rain at all. He doesn't like getting wet. What does Kipper like best about the rain? Oh look, there's a door. Should we open it? Ooh. Oh, he likes going inside and getting dry again. Look how snuggly he is. Do you like going out in the rain? There he is, and at the end he says goodbye. Say goodbye. It was a very rainy day today. Maybe you went outside and splashed in the puddles. Don't forget to wear your wellies, otherwise you'll get soggy socks. Bye.